Welcome! In 60 seconds we'll show how to claim your BetRivers bonus code, step by step. Step 1. Open the BetRivers app or visit betrivers.com and sign in or create an account. Step 2. Open the main menu and select promotions or bonuses to find the promo entry field. Step 3. Tap enter promo code to open the code entry box. Enter the bonus code, for example welcome 100, then tap apply to validate it. A confirmation pop-up appears. Review and accept the terms and conditions to continue. Step 4. Make a qualifying deposit using your preferred payment option. Step 5. Open wallet, choose bonus, then tap claim to activate your bonus. Pay close attention to the bonus terms, minimum deposit, maximum bonus amount, and wagering requirements. You can track progress in rewards or bonuses, your bonus balance updates as you meet wagering requirements. Quick tips: use only one promo at a time, save screenshots, and contact support if anything looks off. You're all set. Tap claim bonus now to start, and play responsibly. Visit support for help.